C++. Okay. C. Backend, he's written all the libraries in C. Okay. He's just inserting that two functions inside the main function. Go to main.cpp. Right click. See, here I am using a area GCC cross compiler. Backend. Just go to Arduino folder. There is a folder called hardware.
And this is just crystal we are using. It's operating 16 megahertz. 16 megahertz crystal, like SLR. Okay. These two things are very important for a controller to operate. Okay, its operating frequency is 16. When you are going to view your board, you should go from, keep it in this manner. Okay. Left side corner will be the power supply. Okay. From that you should explain the board. Whenever you are going, you should go from this way only. Okay. First one is DC jack. We can give up to 12 volt 1 amps. Next one, that is from component part. We are reading some value from the here. Okay.